Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to download Millimeter Arc download link in this video 2025. So click on that scroll something to turn on them. So when you click on this, so as you see there, so icon is turned off. So you're going to turn on it to put it to green. Right here, as you see, I'm turning on them to green. So this is how you turn on your menu arc in Millimeter 2025 to get unlimited flight, unlimited health, high milli level. All of these features that you see, I am turning on everyone. So you turn on your menu in this Millimeter. So when you download it, you can click on that skull icon to turn on your menu in Millimeter. It's 100% working, everyone. So I'm going to go in a map and turn on some of these menu, everyone. So watch my gameplay right now. So I'm playing Millimeter, Milli Outpost now, everyone, to show you that it's 100% working as well in the map. So I'm going to do a short little gameplay. Then I tell you the next detail to download this Millimeter app. So make sure you watch the video from begin in to the end, so don't miss out on how to download this Millimeter app. So don't skip. I'm showing a little clip of Millimeter in Milli Outpost. Say the map is working 100% too. So I'll show you the next step that you're going to do. So don't not skip the video. Watch the video to the beginning to end to get this 100% working, guys. So I show you now the next step. Yes, so going to go to the link in my comment section. Do not leave. I show you how to download it. Now you see that on everything right here, Millimeter menu 5.60 for everyone. You're going to click on it. See that on click on it. Now you can see this page come up. Millimeter menu. So you're going to click on it. Click on Millimeter menu. Now you click on it now, guys. You're going to see download always. So click on download always. So you're going to click on download always now. Then you're going to see download file details. So you're going to tap on download details. So details, click on details. Now you're going to see that your Millimeter is downloading from the file. See it right over there now. You're going to click, then you're going to wait until it finished downloading. So you're going to tap on it, everyone. So as soon as it download, I'm going to tap on it and show you the next following step. So this is the file. Click on the files. Yes, make sure you click on the files right now. So you finish download there, so you're going to tap on it now. So you're going to see this page load up. So just wait. Do not leave as yet. Just wait. Now you're going to click on install, guys. Then you're going to see installing. So after that now, guys, you're going to see more details. So click on more details section right now. So you're going to click on more details. Everyone, make sure you click on more details. So just wait. Then you're going to click on install anyways. So you click on install anyways now, guys. Then you're going to see installing now. So the app is very much installing now, everyone. Now the app going to direct you to this page. App here tap on. So you're going to scroll down now, everyone, and look for a Millimeter. Yes, so tap up here. So you're going to turn on Millimeter one right now. So turn on Millimeter one, everyone. So you're going to turn on the top up here. So when you do that now, you're going to see that the skull logo up here, that over there, that is the skull logo. Yes, everyone, that is the Millimeter menu. That is the skull that I'm pointing over there. That show you that you don't know the right Millimeter arc menu right now. So right here now, everyone, it's going to lead you to your email. So this is my email, guys. So you want to select your email that you want to play on now. So your Millimeter is loading now on your phone now, everyone. So this is how the Millimeter going to look menu when you've download it from the link that I put in my comment section pin. Now guys, to activate this menu now, you're going to click on that skull icon now. So click on that skull icon. So you're going to turn on them from red to green. So I'm going to turn on from red to green. So watch my on arrow. So I'll put this all of this menu to green now, everyone. Yes, guys. I hope this video real helpful to you guys trying to get millimeter hack. Don't forget to like and share this video to our next person who trying to get millimeter hack. So press the video on the screen to show you another way to how to hack millimeter right now.